Hello and welcome to LeadMaster. This video is part 2 of our series on custom forms. Custom forms provide a powerful way to add and display an infinite number of fields over and above the normal amount of information stored in LeadMaster. Custom forms are used for things like customer-specific data, surveys, call scripts, landing pages, and much more. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the ways you can use custom forms to get more out of your LeadMaster system. First, I'll show you how to add data to a custom form. Then, how to use a custom form in an email. Next, how to use a custom form as a web page. And finally, how to use custom forms as an email marketing page. Custom forms can be attached to both individuals and companies, also known as the record level. This gives you the most flexibility when displaying data, when building, storing, and displaying key customer information. Before we can use the custom form, it has to be attached to either a company or a contact. Let's start by adding a custom form to a company. Select Add New Records on the main menu, then select Add Record to add a new record to your system. I'm going to select Display New Record once we're finished so we can see how the custom form is attached. Fill the information out on the form, then scroll to the section that says Custom Forms and Web Capture. Select the custom form you'd like to attach. Once you've clicked Submit on this page, you will see the custom form on this page so you can enter the data right away. If you aren't going to enter the data right away, just click Update and you'll go directly to your new contact. And at any time you want to use the custom form to collect data, simply scroll down to the Custom Forms and Web Capture section and click on the form name. The form will open in a new window, then you can click Update. That's all there is to adding a new record and attaching a custom form and entering data. To add a custom form to one or two existing contacts, you can use the search results. Here's how. Let's say you want to attach a custom form to every record associated with a specific campaign. Click Search, select the campaign, and then click Go. To attach a custom form to the search results, select Options menu, Advanced, and Attach Form. Select the custom form you'd like to attach to the records. The description is optional. And select either Attach to Selected Results or Attach to All Records. Click Submit, and the custom form is now attached to all those records. To add data to the custom form, first find the record and open it. Then select the form and enter the data. Custom forms are a great way to collect data about specific contacts. If you have more than one contact to a record, you can enter a custom form for each contact at the record level. Simply click the name in the contact section, find the custom form section, and either update the existing custom form or add a new one. That's all there is to adding a custom form to one or more of your records and entering data. By the way, custom forms can be created for opportunities. That is covered in another video that talks about opportunity management within the LeadMaster system. Now let's take a look at how to use custom forms in an email. Think of this as a survey or a way to have your contacts provide certain information. To start, either click on the email in the contact section or click on the contact name. This opens up the email editor. When sending an email in LeadMaster, you can easily merge information in the database. With a few clicks, you can insert and merge fields in both the subject and the body of the email message. You can also insert custom forms into your email. If you want to create a new record when your contact fills out a form, select a preference with blank form. If you want your contact to update the existing record, select one of the existing forms. Now when you send this email and the contact fills out the form, it will either update the existing form or create a record depending on what you chose. Next, let's take a look at how to use a custom form as either a standalone web page or an iframe in an existing web page. Start by clicking on Admin and then Custom and Web Forms. See the section labeled Link. If the form is compiled, that will be a live link to a web page that will accept input directly from the internet and update in your database. Click on the link to open the custom form, enter some sample data, and attach a form if needed, and click Submit. When a custom form is used as a web page and someone fills it out, the information will create a new record in your database. As you can see, all the data we entered in the form is now here in LeadMaster. If you would like to retrieve the file that was attached to the custom form, simply click on the name of the file. To use your custom form in an existing web page, you can include the custom form in an iframe. Now that you know how to attach a custom form to emails, you can send in LeadMaster. The last topic in this video is how to use a custom form with email marketing. To begin, select Launch an Email Campaign. E-marketing is covered in greater detail in another video. For now, scroll down to Step 5, Draft an Email. This is the LeadMaster email editor. You can insert a custom form in an e-marketing campaign the same way you inserted a custom form in an individual email. The only difference is you'll be able to select blank custom forms when doing e-marketing campaigns. When your contacts receive the email and fill out the custom form, it will create a new record. Now you know several ways to use a custom form. In the next video, I will show you how to use a custom form when importing records, how to search custom forms, how to clone a custom form, how to edit profile fields, the uses of profiled fields, and how to map a custom form to a web form. This concludes the video on custom forms.